Have you been watching home flipping shows and you're feeling super inspired to update your property, or maybe you're walking into your first flip and you're wondering where you should spend the most money to get the most equity and to bring the value up the highest? Well, today I want to cover my 3 tips when renovating your home to get the most profit and to get the most equity with that project. I'm Alex Kaufman with Teifke Real Estate. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video with anyone you think would find it valuable, and let's dive in. If you're looking to do a full remodel and a full update on your property, 2 of the most important locations that you can put money into is the kitchen and the bathrooms. The kitchen and the bathroom are the biggest draws when people are buying homes, and it's the place that sticks out the most. So you want to make sure that these are crispy and they look really nice. These are the 2 most important places to spend money when you're doing a home renovation. It's the place where people are going to spend most of their time, and it's the place that stick out the most. So you want to make sure they look really nice and they really pop. My number 2 tip is to try and create an extra bedroom if you possibly can. So if you're able to convert a garage, if you're able to knock out a wall and it works with the structure and you can create an extra room. With a garage, if you're able to add 400 extra square feet and it's selling for $150 a square foot, you're able to add $60,000 worth of equity and value into that home immediately. Number 3 is for my investors. If you just purchased a property and you're looking to do a flip and maybe there's not enough room in there to do a full remodel, one thing you can consider is just doing a lipstick job on the property, making sure the paint is good, making sure everything looks good on the inside, and essentially doing a higher end make ready to add some value to the property, to not dump a whole lot of money in there and still leave enough margin and enough room in there for you to make a profit on the flip. We love construction so much that we have created a construction company here at Teifke Real Estate. If you'd like to learn more about how to approach your next project, drop a comment below. We'd love to see how we can help you with it. Please reach out if you need anything, and we'll see you guys next time.